Hi, this is Guld with Geeks On Tour and Learn Google Photos. I want to show you how you can use Google Photos, the most efficient way to send pictures from one person to another if both people are using Google Photos. So this is a direct from Google Photos to Google Photos. You open up your Google Photos, you select the pictures you want to send, long press on the first, tap on the subsequent ones, tap the share button. This is an iPhone, it's the square with the up arrow. On an Android, it's that 3-dot slingshot. And then this top section, send in Google Photos. You just select the person that you want to send to, and if you don't see them right away, you can go to more and find them. I'm going to send to Marilyn. Now this is going to go straight to her Google Photos, not through email or anything, but you can say and send. And that's going directly to her Google Photos. Now, if this is the first time you've done this with Marilyn, she will get an email saying, hey, go check your Google Photos. Chris sent you some pictures. So let me show you what that looks like. I'm going to show you this on the computer. So here is Marilyn's email, and here is the notification. Chris Guld shared photos with you. But you're not seeing them right in the email. They're in your Google Photos, and it says click here to see them. It takes me to Google Photos, to the sharing section, and there are the photos. Now if I want to keep these, if I just want to look at them, then we're done. If I want to keep them, then I click on Save to Library, or if Marilyn wants to keep them, you click on Save to Library, and now they are copied into your Google Photos library. So that's how you share photos directly from one Google Photos account to another Google Photos account.